in a home where the air you breathe is as fresh and clean as the outdoors. With Xire's cutting-edge indoor CO2 meter, this dream becomes a reality. This innovative device not only monitors your home's carbon dioxide levels in real time, but also connects seamlessly to your Wi-Fi network, allowing you to access data anytime, anywhere through your smartphone or computer. Xire, a leading manufacturer with over a decade of experience in crafting top-quality detection equipment and testing instruments, has designed this indoor CO2 meter to provide you with accurate and reliable readings. The company's commitment to excellence ensures that every unit meets the highest standards of performance and durability. Integrating effortlessly into your smart home ecosystem, this meter alerts you to any changes in CO2 levels, ensuring that your family's health remains a priority. Whether you're at work, school, or on vacation, you can stay informed about the air quality in your home, making adjustments to ventilation when necessary to maintain a healthy environment. Xire is offering an exclusive promotion on our indoor CO2 meter. Don't miss out on this opportunity to safeguard your loved one's well-being. You can contact me through my homepage email address to learn more about the product.